So, hello again. This is the unboxing for my watch Majesté Automotique 1115. Let's see what we have inside. I'm so curious. This is the second watch I buy. So it's a kind of automatic. And I'm super excited to see this. Okay, it's coming in this way. Let's take it out. Super, and the box is looking super nice. Let's see what we have inside. This is the second watch I buy from the Louise, and I'm super excited. Okay, it's coming in this way with one brief. How you can see, I have the second there. Let's see what we have in the brief. Nice. Okay. Edition okay. Okay, super. Certificate of authenticity. Everything is in his place. Superb. Let's see. Sesame. Open it. Okay. And here is come. A beautiful box. And a lovely watch. Look at him. Let's take it out. Count puppy. Look at this, man. This is so beautiful. With diamonds. Full automatic. Louise 19. We can see. Let's see the wonderful mechanism inside. It's looking super true. How you can see, Majesté, Louise 19, Majesté. Wonderful detail. Let's see how it's looking on my hand. It's a wonderful watch. Beautiful. Thanks, Louise. Dankeschön. You're the best. We put it back. please. Don't go sad. What we have here more? And we have also here the tools to adjust the bracelet. Superb. Okay. Another brief. And voila, the currency. For Majesté, 111.5. So, Dankeschön, Louise. Here we have again, Louise 19. It's all what we have. Superb. So, wonderful. Dankeschön, Louise. And this is the second, of course. I hope to show also this. Look, baby. Dankeschön.